With Chief Meteorologist Carson Vickroy. Carson, when I graduated college, it was similar to that graduation there. We were on a turf field in Abilene. It was middle of the day, probably 97, 98 degrees, not a cloud in the sky. But I remember working games down there on that field, and the turf was always 10, 15, 20 degrees hotter. It was cooking us down there in those caps and gowns, man. I know it is so hot. It's getting hotter, but that's just kind of what we're used to here on top of the humidity. So what are we looking like this as we start to wrap up June and really get into the dog days of summer?
Yeah, Tyler, so what we're going to end up seeing is a lot more of this heat and humidity, and it's going to continue to build for us in East Texas. Now, sometimes out to the west and even out to the northeast, we do tend to see this heat billow up quite often at this time of the year, and here's the reason why. This ridge of high pressure has prevailed over the eastern U.S., and that continues to push off to the north and to the northeast, but it's going to pivot west over the next couple of days, and as it does so, it will bring with it a slight pattern change. We're still going to be hot. As a matter of fact, it's probably going to be a bit warmer than it actually is, but as we look at the heat and humidity building, this ridge of high pressure, it's going to be more centered over Louisiana and Arkansas, but what it's going to do is it's going to give West Texas a decent chance of showers and storms. We were showing you the radar yesterday of a few storms moving from south to north. So rainfall totals in West Texas and then across portions of New Mexico and Colorado, Kansas, Oklahoma, what have you, those rain chances are going to be increasing here over the next several days. So good news for them. They can always use the rain at this time of year in West Texas. Tracking a couple of strong thunderstorm cells. They aren't severe or anything like that, but we're seeing a storm moving towards Crockett and Houston County. Also have a few scattered showers and thunderstorms in Cherokee and Smith County that we are watching. So stay on guard if you live in Tyler, or at least to the east of the city, because storms, they are heading in your direction. Not severe, but this could produce some heavy downpours, maybe some cloud-to-ground lightning. And we'll continue to see the possibility of a few storms moving in from our southeast, but kind of like it did last night, fizzle out by midnight tonight. And then by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're still seeing a few passing clouds, but not a ton of activity on the radar. Bubble-up showers and thunderstorms possible to the west of the Trinity River there, across portions of Anderson County and off to the west towards Interstate 45. But overall, I think these storm chances will be slightly lower than what they were today, and my 7-day does reflect that. And then for Thursday, we're beginning to see more bubble-up shower and thunderstorm activity. The heat advisory itself started at 11 o'clock this morning, goes until 6 o'clock this evening. As we look at your temperatures, we are in the 80s and 90s for most areas, but where we have seen the rain, you'll notice a bit of a dip in the temperatures. So while it's 92 in Tyler, we're at 79 in Jacksonville, and that's just because we have rain in the area. Dew points there in the 70s. Everybody's humid. Doesn't matter what your temperature is, and the heat index values have touched 100 degrees today and will continue to be a story through the evening. 74 tonight. Clearing skies after midnight tonight. 91 degrees will be your high temperature tomorrow. Rain chances, they will be at about 20%. I don't think everybody sees the rain. High temperatures over the next 7 days will be in the 90s, and then by the middle part of next week, we are creeping back up into the mid-90s as we round out the month of June and get into July. Low temperatures, they will be in the 70s, and as we look at deep East Texas, similar deal. It will be slightly more active since we're closer to the Gulf. High temperatures will be in the 90s with lows in the 70s. For the latest weather forecast, you can find that on our website, KETK.com.
Carson.